Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. What if your mobility scooter could keep up with your adventurous lifestyle? Meet the Triaxe Sport. It's the ultimate fusion of travel convenience and powerful performance. And today, we have an exclusive open box model, meaning this ticket to freedom is more affordable than ever. Let's explore what makes this scooter the only one you'll ever need. What makes the Triaxe Sport an absolute game changer? Power and distance. Forget those slow travel scooters, this machine boasts a top speed of up to 12 miles per hour. And thanks to its robust standard lithium-ion battery, you can get a phenomenal travel range of up to 35 miles on a single charge. Go further, faster, with total confidence. Now for the best part, portability. The Triaxe Sport folds in seconds with no tools required. It's ultra compact and weighs only about 44 pounds without the battery, making it one of the lightest performance scooters in its class. It fits easily into almost any car trunk or closet. Plus, with the optional travel battery, it's airline approved, making it the ultimate travel companion for your next vacation, cruise, or flight. On the road, you'll appreciate the comfort of the cushioned seat, the adjustable handlebars for a custom fit, and the security of hand-controlled rear disc brakes. This specific model is open box, but it was only used as a demonstration model in our showroom. It has been thoroughly inspected, tested, and certified to work just as new. You'll get the full performance and peace of mind, but your wallet gets a break. The Triaxe Sport is the freedom machine that you've been looking for. Don't miss out on this open box value, as these special deals are extremely limited. Click the link below to see the current discounted price and claim your open box Triaxe Sport today. Get the performance of a full-size scooter and the convenience of a folding traveler for less.